So guys, for the first step, you're going to get into this screen. Now to get here, you're going to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As soon as it turns on, you're going to turn it off again and then turn it back on again. You want to repeat this 3 times. So you're going to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As soon as it turns on, you're going to turn it off again and then turn it back on again. You want to repeat this 3 times, and then on the 4th time when you turn your computer on again, it will then take you into this screen. It's going to be saying that your PC did not start correctly. You're going to click on Advanced Options. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Command Prompt. If you do not see Command Prompt, then you're going to click on SIEM Recovery Options. Then it should appear right here. So you're going to click on Command Prompt, and now this will come up. And then once you're on this, you're going to type in bootrec /fix MBR. Click on Enter. Now you're going to type in bootrec /fix boot. Click on Enter again. If it says access is denied, just ignore it. Now we're going to type in bootrec /scan OS. Click on Enter again. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, we're now going to type in bootrec /rebuildbcd. Click on Enter again. Wait for this to load. And now for the last one, you're going to type in chkdsk /c:/f /r/x. Click on Enter. You now want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And then once that's been done, we're just going to close out of this. Now you're going to continue to Windows, and then the problem should be fixed.